Good morning, student. Today we have to discuss about the hard words and exercises of chapter 1, that is crop production and crop management. First we have to discuss about the hard words. There are 10 hard words in this chapter. First one is agricultural practice, second one is kharif crop, third one is plowing, fourth one is fertilizer, fifth one is seed drill, sixth one is crop rotation, seventh one is irrigation, eighth is manure, ninth is granaries, and last word is animal husbandry. After discussing the hard word, we have to discuss the fill in the blanks in the chapter. First fill up is the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place called crop. The first step before growing crop is the preparation of soil. Third, damaged seed would float on the top of water. Last, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water and nutrient from the soil are essential. After discussing the fill-up, question number 2 that we have to discuss, that is the matching. Match items in column A with those in column B. First is kharif crops, column B, paddy and maize. Then rabi crop, column B, wheat, gram and pea. Third, chemical fertilizers, urea and superphosphate. Fourth, organic manure, animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. In column B, there is an extra option, that is the food for cattle. The food for cattle, join this word with a column A, that is the fodder. Third question, define and give 2 examples of each. First, kharif crop. The crops which are sown in the rainy season, that is June and to September, are called kharif crop. And what are the 2 examples of kharif crop? That is paddy and maize. Second one is rabi crop. The crops grown in winter season are called rabi crops. Their time period is generally from October to March. What are the 2 examples? That is wheat and gram. Now move on to another question, that is which is given in the crossword form, but you have to done in your copy in the question. Name the following or answer in one word. First is providing water to crop, irrigation. Second, keeping crop grains for a long time under proper condition, that is the storage. Certain plants of the same kind grown on a large scale, crop. A machine used for cutting matured crop is harvester. A rabi crop, that is also one of the pulses, that is gram, and a process of separating the grain from chaff is called threshing.